What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to establish a connection between the Claude and the Miro. So for that the process is very simple. Open up any desktop application or web application of the Claude AI. Go to the connectors option, then go to add connectors, and then go to the browse connectors option. Once you have opened this up, you will see a detailed menu over here listed with native connectors for the different platforms. You will see multiple over here. We have to find the one that is available for the Miro. Just go ahead and click on that, and you will see there. This is not just for the prompt, it is for the code, productivity, and design. So you guys can code product, ask for the queries, generic queries for from the Miro, and also you guys can do the designing part with the this native connector from the desktop application or the AI application, web application of the cloud. These are the tools that are available from board list items, image get data, code widget list items to prototype grid. All these are available over here. So in order to connect, just go ahead and click on connect option. A new menu will open up where you will be able to just connect it with the MCP Miro. You have to authenticate and allow access, and thus you will be able to establish a connection. This is how it looks like. This is a simple way to connect it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.